Okay, so this is what happened as I thought कि like इतना GPT मैं use करता हूँ कुछ बना ही लेता हूँ दूसरों के लिए. So no, actually that was not that happened. It's actually that in AVF some of the people actually DM that भाई मैं बहुत GPT use करता हूँ like as in the way that how can I like make it more useful or something. And तब मेरे दिमाग में ये idea आया कि like how about I make some study abroad GPTs to help everyone. Okay? And in this video, we are going to learn about the 5 GPTs which I made. And this is totally about study abroad GPTs, and this is totally free to use if you see this video. Okay? So video को end तक देखना, and yeah, that's all. And yeah, basically वही है. And I also have a bonus GPT for you all. It's not related to like particularly related to study abroad, but it will help you. ठीक है? And yeah, वीडियो के एंड तक देखते रहना, मिल जाएगा. The first GPT which I made, ठीक है, is financial aid mentor. ठीक है, like this GPT is particularly on undergrad aid mentor for international students. If you search it up on gpt.com, you will get it. ठीक है, chatgpt.com में सर्च करना है explore GPT करके. ठीक है, so ये वाला क्या करता है, undergrad aid mentor for international students helps you in understanding the aid. ठीक है, like understanding the aid which you need to do for CSS or IFSA or ISAFA, like that kind of thing. ठीक है, undergrad aid mentor में you can even put your CSS profile which you have sent, or if you have a previous CSS profile which you have sent in the early action and you are thinking कि भाई ये वाला क्या ठीक है कि नहीं, and I can't afford to hire a CA or something, you can just upload it, that CSS file as a PDF into that and tell it to critique it. ठीक है, and it might as well like you can just type it act as a financial aid officer and tell me what are the red flags that you can see in this. ठीक है, and like yeah, that thing which that is also something which I also did for my CSS as well, and yeah, it helped. Okay, like it helped me to improve my CSS profile a lot, to be honest, because कुछ like details ना हम लोग Indian है and sometimes we get confused about कि कैसे क्या input करना है. So in that case you can just like use this GPT and get help, basically वही है. And it can also write the special mention का section like very professionally, so that's also you can use it for. The second GPT which I have made, it's called a university finder. ठीक है, like the name of this one is, one second, yeah. I will also include the short links. If you see this here, you can just like put it in Chrome and go GPT account में अगर login है तो मिल जाएगा. So in this one, the study abroad college and university finder, this is something which all students can use. ठीक है, like BSc के students, like post grad के लिए और PhD के लिए, you can just go on it, and this tool is based on such like it can scrape data from Google. ठीक है, like GPT जो है ये वाला search कर सकता है, web search कर सकता है, and you can also like code interpreter element है, so you can like it can not just like hi hello, it can also say hi कैसे हैं आप, and then like that kind of thing. Code interpreter जब enabled रहता है, ठीक है, it can give you much better results because it can also analyze what you're writing and then provide better results. ठीक है, so that is what you need to know. And for this one, college and university finder, if you can just write your name, write it, what the things that you want, the requirements, what if you need financial aid or not, if you have any particular country you want to study for something or the subject or something, it gives you like ठीक ठाक तरह से एक structured way में बता देता है कि these are the universities that you can apply for and these are what that meet your requirements. ठीक है, so yeah, this is something else also, so you can use it up if you are like searching for universities. But guys, please don't go for the results that GPT gives you. Like अगर तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, please do your own research. Please do your own research after getting a set of names. ठीक है, like University of Chicago मिल गया, so what the next step should be is that you should go to University of Chicago का website, official website, and then go through it. ठीक है, because क्या sometimes AI overview आ जाता है, so उसमें like कुछ डेटा अगर गड़बड़ी है वो भी डाल देते हैं, कभी होता है. It doesn't happen like it happens almost everywhere. ठीक है, in the GPTs that are in the GPT store, हर जगह हो ही सकता है. So that's what I want to mention. Next one is it's called college assistant GPT. Achha guys, I am like a really good user of this link shorteners. HTTPS // tinyurl.com/ उसके बाद मेन चीज़ आता है, ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू आर सीइंग दिस, ट्राई टू लाइक रिमेंबर दिस, लाइक ये वाला देने से हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो दिस वन, College Application Assistant for International Students, is basically about helping them with their applications. So if you have any doubts regarding deadlines, or if you have any doubts regarding what are the policies that this college had previously, you can just put it there and it will help you, okay. What are the things that this college might had, like the faculty का question कभी देते हैं, कभी नहीं दे सकते, because sometimes the bots are not enabled on the university का website to just get access to all the data. So that is like a fault. And other than that, I think this is going to work out pretty good. Like even if you search that what are the best faculties of like Princeton University, it's going to give a result, and yeah, that's all. Like yeah, it's that helpful. ठीक है. And next जो है, next is Scholarship Finder GPT. ठीक है. अच्छा guys, so this is the only fault with this study abroad scholarship GPT जो है ना, Scholarship Finder. It's basically based on the data which is already on Google, ठीक है. But basically होता है कि Google पे जब तुम सर्च करते हो, it's not structured in the right way. Like if you search for it, blah blah blah, and it's going to give you a set of queries which are already existing, right? So मेरा जो GPT है ना, if you give your requirements here, it's going to like make it look as if like the sources that it's going to give you are going to meet your criteria basically. So यहाँ पे तुम enable कर सकते हो, but please यार उल्टा पुल्टा मत enable कर देना. Like some people like I want $1 million scholarship. Like वैसा, like if you give it a realistic question, it's going to answer realistically, ठीक है. That is what I want to say. So ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. It's scholarship.gpt. And next of all, last and final one, and इसके बाद एक bonus GPT दूंगा तुम लोगों को. This is Common App GPT, ये वाला जो है last वाला. So it's basically helping you with common application and Square, ठीक है. So Square helper and common application, ये वाला जो GPT है ना, it's if you ask it like how to waive the application fee for Square, it's going to also tell you, ठीक है. And even if you have like things like how to write better examples, like this is the best one GPT which I've made probably. Like इसमें this is the most time consuming GPT which I've made. Like बहुत ज़्यादा effort गया है इसमें, and like yeah, मैनुअली एडिट करना पड़ता था कुछ चीज़ों को. So yeah, if you want like how to write better extracurriculars, or if you are searching for a roadmap, or even if you are searching for colleges that that you can apply with your requirements, then definitely use the GPTs and the University Finder as well. So this is like a wholesome package of study abroad things which you might need. Financial aid हो गया, common app हो गया, like university college पहले ही तो हो गया, college assistant भी हो गया, and yeah, financial aid helper भी है हमारे पास. So like everything. Damn. And now lastly, this is the bonus one. This is I've named it Visa GPT. But इससे क्या होता है कि this Visa GPT is basically, one second guys, yeah, Visa GPT जो है, Visa GPT is going to help you with visas, obviously, and this is like your personal visa expert, assistant and guide, ठीक है. So if you are searching for what documents do I need for F1 visa, what are the cost of like visa for Australia or New Zealand, it's going to give you the right things, ठीक है, you need. हाँ, obviously खुद कर लेना like research बाद में, but if this thing can make your life easier, why not? Like why not go for it, right? So this is also something, and yeah, I guess that's all. And ये सारा का सारा मैं तुम्हें फ्री दे रहा हूँ obviously, and I'm not like these are free, and you can also help it like as you want it. And yeah, अगर तुम्हारा subscription है then it's also better. And by the way, अगर तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, you can also submit a feedback form at the end of your like things. So yeah, feedback form में तुम खुद को बता सकते हो कि क्या fault आ रही है, I will improve it as accordingly. And yeah, if you are a study abroad guy who is going to abroad after 12 from India, then APU join कर सकते हो. APU में मैं एक secret GPT already डाला है. It's about essay critic, and this GPT helps you in critiquing your supplemental essays in the Ivy League style. Like Ivy League में जो जैसे academic admission officer rating करते हैं ना, 1 is the best and 5 is the lowest वाला, उस तरह का एकदम detail type का बनाया है मैंने एक, but that is not something I will show you in this video. Anyways, that is not for free obviously, that is exclusively to the community, and basically वही है, ठीक है. By the way, I have started Buy Me a Coffee page, so अगर तुम वहाँ पे करोगे, like if you like give me anything. I will like even if you like pay me like $5 on that, I will like I will try my best to help you up, ठीक है. And personally तुम्हें वहाँ पे मेरा email भी मिल जा रहा है अगर तुम सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, ठीक है. And I guess that's all pretty much. Anyways अभी के लिए इतना ही था. If you have any doubts regarding anything, comment कर देना. मैं हूँ यहाँ पे हेल्प करने के लिए. And that's all. अभी के लिए अलविदा.